I'm alright, yeah. Living in the shadows in the night, yeah. Always searching, looking for the light, yeah. Anything to understand this life, yeah. Need someone who could hold me down, yeah, yeah. Feel buried in the ground, yeah, yeah. If I could just be found, yeah, yeah. I don't know why I'm down, yeah, yeah. And I've been feeling spiteful. Everything has got me in denial. Put me on trial. Waves of emotion like a tidal. I see you and I feel it now, yeah, yeah. I feel my heart, it pounds, yeah, yeah. Vibrations from the sounds, yeah, yeah. I wanna feel you now, yeah, yeah. Oh, I know all the dark places where my mind goes. Thoughts spin around like a vinyl. And you got me feeling something primal. It's vital, I need something new, a revival. I can feel it spreading like it's viral. It's something primal. I know all the dark places where my mind goes. And now I know how you make me feel it's something primal. I know all the dark places where my mind goes. And now I know how you make me feel it's something primal. Yeah, yeah, let's go. Shaking bodies in the back, I can see you move, I just want a piece of that. Everything you do got you looking hella bad. Got something to prove with an attitude like that. With an attitude like that, we could feel the rhythm like it's tribal. I feel her body next to mine though. I'm looking for a sign, oh. Yeah, I feel something inside. Instinct that I can't hide. Bad thoughts are in my mind. It's like they got me blind. I'm not in control. It's like I lost my soul. Nervous and I don't know just where the night will go. I know all the dark places where my mind goes. Thoughts spin around like a vinyl. And you got me feeling something primal. It's vital, I need something new, a revival. I can feel it spreading like it's viral. It's something primal. I know all the dark places where my mind goes. And now I know how you make me feel it's something primal. I know all the dark places where my mind goes. And now I know how you make me feel it's something primal. And it's my life, so I'll do what I want to, and I'll get what I want to. Whoa. Cause it's my life, and I'll get how if I want to. I'll live my life how I want to. Whoa, yeah, let's go, yeah. Yeah, got my life in my hands. I've been running all around but I ain't got any plans. All the homies cruise around and we just packed in a van. Hitting every single town where we know all of the fans. Whoa girl, what you running from now? I could tell that she was looking for a hell of a time. I just wanna take her back now. I just wanna take her back now. Whoa, oh, oh. And she got those moves that everybody wanna see. And she like that groove and got me begging, baby please, it's just me and you. I like this view, okay, 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 oh. I don't wanna wait for a good time, so I'm gonna make us a good time. We could fake it and make it, just take it now, and we can shake it and break it, just let it out. It's my life, so I'll do what I want to, and I'll get what I want to. Whoa, cause it's my life, and I'll get high if I want to. I'll live my life how I want to. Whoa, let's go, yeah, yeah. Summer nights when we put on a show. Anybody wanna come and anybody can go. Cranking up the energy with the no radio. And she's saying, baby please, can we do it some more? Okay, guess we doing this thing. Round two and she cute and I don't know her name. In the middle of the room spilling all the champagne. Shaking hips, cherry lips in a tight little frame. Hey, okay, okay though, yeah. Tear it up, tornado, do you wanna play a game though? Yeah, molding bodies like it's Play-Doh. Damn, it's a hell of a thing. Watch your hips move around as the melody sings. Like a kid crushing now as I see him, they I'll get what I want to. Whoa, 'cause it's my life, and I'll get how I want to. I'll live my life how I want to. Whoa, and it's my life, so I'll do what I want to, and I'll get what I want to. Whoa, 'cause it's my life, and I'll get how I want to. I'll live my life how I want to. Whoa, and it's my life, so I'll do what I want to, and I'll get what I want to. Whoa, 'cause it's my life, and I'll get how I want to. I'll live my life how I want to. Whoa, whoa.
Yeah, the facts. Bad chicks like bad things. Bad chicks like big rings. Bad chicks like no strings, 'cause they don't wanna be attached to anything. Yeah, bad chicks are like a riddle. Man, I'm caught up in the middle. I think she's giving me a signal, looking superficial with her chest artificial. Yeah, I'm feeling like the shit-o. I've been making music since I was a little kiddo. Never gonna stop, no, I'm never gonna quit, oh. I hit 'em with the remix, oh. And that's all I need, yeah, that's all I need. Baby, I got me, only friend I need. Playing on my team is someone like on her body. Is it too late now to say sorry? Your skin feels like I just took Molly. All I wanna do is turn you into a hobby. You always like that, I'm a little cocky. You always fight back like you wanna be Rocky. You always fight back like you wanna be a zombie. You kinda like crack, I'm addicted to your body. Yeah, so she wanna play ball? Type of girl that'll make your skin crawl. I hit her with the Bombay, then we started feeling okay. Will Smith getting jiggy with it. I think I got a couple hickeys from it. I think she's waiting on the whiskey to hit. Just like a country song, it makes her feel risky with it. Couple drinks and my mind's clear. Look in her eyes and there's no fear. She's full of lies and a lot of beer. I'll let her leave with a souvenir. That's all I need, yeah, that's all I need. Baby, I got me, only friend I need. Playing on my team is someone like You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming.
There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fucking fight back. You ain't gonna make it, you ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they're giving them, you're not thinking straight, kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just faking. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore, I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds, talking out loud so proud. You better shut your goddamn mouth before I do more, speak out. It's about to head south. You're never gonna make it. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fucking fight back. I've been looking all around, trying to figure out what the hell really counts. When everything feels like it's filling up with doubt. Thoughts heading south and no one can hear me shout. And the voices in my head so loud, coming for the storm like a Seattle cloud. The sky's so gray, trying to figure it out. Why I'm so down in the sunlight drought. Yeah, memories coming back to me of a simpler time when I was young and free, playing games with the kids lived next to me. Didn't care about time or anything, yeah. But things changed, turned 23. Had to figure out what the hell was next for me. Do I do the safe thing, something guaranteed? Or do I do what I love till my fingers bleed? It'll all be okay, figure out my own way. But for now here I lay and remember a day when I was young